Peter was not walking on water because the water became ice. Peter was not walking on water because the water solidified. But Peter was walking on water because he was holding on to a word. He said, Master, if you call me, I will come. So he held on to the word. Sometimes you need to look at your situation and hold on to your word. Sometimes you need to look at the sickness. Sometimes you need to look at the doctor's report and hold on to the word. Because there is something your situation is saying. There is something your situation is saying. Then there is something that God is saying. There is something the doctors are saying. But there is something that God is saying. There is something your enemies are saying. There is something that God is saying. So they may be telling you are dying. They may be telling you are broken. They may be telling you are finished. But there is something God is saying.